Hi everyone, I'd like to share my experience with Tianlu German Sea. When I first engaged their feng shui services many years ago, I didn't expect much. But over time, things really started improving for me and my family. Life felt smoother, opportunities opened up, and our home became a lot more harmonious. After inviting Tianlu into our house, the change was even clearer. The energy felt lighter and more stable, and my family became calmer, more focused, and we have fewer conflicts. We also do the annual house blessing with Tianlu German Sea, and it has been great for keeping the atmosphere uplifting and protected throughout the year. I'm truly grateful for their guidance, and I hope my sharing helps anyone thinking about improving the feng shui of their home.